caught me doing my happy dance. Now, why am I happy today? Because of this puppy right here. Have any guesses about what it might be? Here's a little hint. Let me get a little sip right here. Here's a little hint. Any guesses what might be in that box? Were you thinking coffee? Will you be wrong, monkey breath? It's from our friends at Rupes. Here, let me put this down and we'll check it out. Oh man, this is beauty. Here, listen to this. The heck could it be? When you see it, you still won't know what it is. There we go. Turn it around. What are you guessing? Well, this is the new Ibrid Nano by Rupes. It's from what I understand, the machine is basically the same like it's been, but now it's new in this hard case box, which I absolutely love. Now, I wanted to open it in front of you so we can see it together, and I'm not even sure how to open it. Oh, here we go. Ready for this? Ta-da! Like opening King Tut's tomb or something. So we got some microfiber polishing cloths, about 4 or 5 of them. That's nice. Put that to the side. A little warning paper about how not to switch it over. I'll explain to that in a second. Put that there. And you ready for this? Let's have a look. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, your 2 batteries, a polishing and a compound, the charger, and this is the star of the show right here. Look at this little honey. Now let me tell you about the Ibrid, okay? I have one. Just on Thursday, as a matter of fact, we polished a 1935 Chevy, and the way that's designed, it has the hood that comes up and down like this, has a fender that comes out, and there's a headlight right next to the hood on top of the fender. There was no way we were going to polish under that headlight unless you were going to do it by hand. There was no way you were going to get a machine in there unless you had an Ibrid. Got it in there, it looked beautiful. Now you can switch this from dual action to rotary in a matter of seconds. And all the parts you need to do that are in there, are in this kit. Now I don't want to dig any deeper than I have to, but I know under there is should be all the pads. Well, let's have a look. You know what I mean? Now usually when you open it up, you get stickers and you get the instructions, and it better be buried in there, because the only reason why you buy a kit like this is for the sticker. Not the only reason, but like 80% of the reason. So let's peek in here. Whoa, there's my sticker. There's the stickers. Now, unfortunately, this kit, they must have forgotten to put the stickers in there because I don't see them in there. Just teasing, I'll put it back. I don't want to take everything out. But there's pads in there. There's the cord. There's instructions. This is the complete. Now, here's something. It comes in short neck or long neck. This is the long neck version, which I prefer the long neck version. So why am I showing you this kit, right? This, as far as I know, is the first hard case kit in the United States. Or you could be the owner of the first hard case kit in the United States. My friends at Rupes were kind enough and were generous enough to send me this kit to auction off, to raise money, to purchase bicycles, to give away to underprivileged kids for Christmas. Now you may or may not know, every year a bunch of us get together and we collect as many brand new bikes as we can. We give these bicycles away to kids that are in families that are struggling financially, and kids that are in foster care programs, and kids that are in welfare, social welfare programs that have been taken out of environments where they were being abused and or neglected. Now, as heartbreaking as that sounds, it's our job to come in and show these kids that they're valued, that they are loved, and at the very least, we can give them a brand new bike to cheer up their day, okay? So all the money collected and that comes to me will go to purchase bicycles. Every other expense I will pay out of my pocket. So this is going to go on eBay immediately following SEMA. You have the opportunity to be the first person in the U.S. to buy the new hard case Ibrid Nano kit. All right? So it goes for about $600. I want you to bid $1 million because every penny is going to go to buy bicycles. All right? Thank you for your support. Thank you for Rupes for your generous donation, and much love to you.